to Macau. We're very excited. I've never been to Macau, so I think it'll be really cool. So just a little bit of background. As you may or may not know, Hong Kong used to be like ruled by the British, so there's a lot of like British influence in Hong Kong. And the same is true for Macau, except for the Portuguese. So there's a lot of like Portuguese influence there. Portuguese is an official language along with Cantonese. So I think it's gonna be really cool to see the culture and like the mix. So yeah, they have amazing architecture. I think it's like a World Heritage Site, like they're downtown. So, and there's also a ton of casinos. It's known as like Asian Las Vegas. So I think it'll be fun. But yeah, stay tuned. This is the turbojet ferry. I'll leave a bunch of links and stuff in the description box if you guys are going to Macau too. But yeah, let's go. Now we're walking to the ruins of St. Paul. It's like one of the most famous places in Macau. People tourists come. So, and it's a big... This is a big ticket impact. Different kinds. We're at the Venetian. You can see behind me. They really try to make it look like Venice. It's really funny. So yeah, now we're just walking around being tourists. It's a lot of people. And it's like a Tuesday, so I feel like it shouldn't be this many people, but it's nice. I mean, I'm not really into like gambling. I guess if you're like into gambling, it's like great for casinos, but yeah, especially just like a big mall, so. And we're back. I'm looking so tired. So we're back from Macau, back in Hong Kong. So it was a really great trip. I think Macau is great if you like to gamble. You know, if you're looking for like something like Las Vegas or if you're in the area. But as somebody who lives in Hong Kong, I don't know if I would necessarily enjoy Macau. I definitely prefer Hong Kong. But it was really nice. If you love architecture, you'll love it because a lot of the architecture and like the ruins are really beautiful. So yeah, it was a cool experience. If you've ever like been interested in Macau, go see it for yourself. But for me, I prefer Hong Kong. It's just bigger, there's more to do. Public transportation is better. So yeah, all in all, it was a really good trip. I hope you guys enjoyed following, us around. And yeah, I will see you guys later.